We all love the convenience and community that apartments offer, but excessive noise can disrupt the peace and tranquility of apartment living. It can lead to tenant dissatisfaction and strained relationships among residents. Living in apartments has its advantages, but noise complaints, they can be challenging. Welcome back, Loopers. I'm your host, Andrew Chung. In this video, we'll give you tips on managing noise complaints in apartment communities. We'll dive deep into handling noise complaints with finesse and professionalism so you can foster harmonious relationships among tenants and create a conducive living environment for everyone in your apartment complex. First and foremost, every tenant has the right to quiet enjoyment. This right ensures that tenants have the entitlement to peaceful and undisturbed use of the rented premises. It's not just about their apartment, but also common areas and the entire living environment. Landlords and property managers have a duty to uphold this right. It's their responsibility to create and maintain an environment that allows to live without significant interference or disturbances. Addressing noise complaints isn't just about keeping the peace, it's about legal implications and upholding tenant rights. Now, it's crucial to determine if a noise complaint is valid. Excessive noise can include loud parties, loud music during quiet hours, rowdy behavior, or construction during quiet hours. Everyday noise, like footsteps or occasional conversations, is a normal part of apartment living. Not all noise can be eliminated in an apartment complex, and tenants must recognize and accept certain common noises as part of communal living. So here's a step-by-step guide to address noise complaints. First, actively listen and empathize with the tenant's concerns. Gather all necessary details about the noise. Evaluate the complaint's validity. Investigate the noise disturbance thoroughly. Engage in open communication with the alleged noisy tenant. Pursue mediation if required. Enforce noise policies if valid. Issue warnings and provide clear guidelines for improvement. And always follow up. Remember, it's essential to maintain open communication, respond promptly, conduct thorough investigations, encourage feedback from residents, and consistently review and update noise policies. Now, here's what not to do. Avoid ignoring complaints, taking sides, violating tenant privacy, delaying responses, or neglecting documentation. It's vital to approach every situation professionally. And here are some legal aspects to consider. Familiarize yourself with local noise ordinances, fair housing laws, tenant eviction laws, and ensure your lease agreements specify noise restrictions. When in doubt, consult with legal experts. By addressing noise complaints effectively, you can maintain a peaceful and harmonious living environment. At DoorLoop, we are here to support property managers every step of the way. For more tips on property management, schedule your free demo today and discover everything that DoorLoop has to offer. Click on the link in the description below. Well, that's it for this video. If you have questions about this video, leave a comment in the section below. Let us know what videos you'd like to see. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can get this information to more real estate professionals. If you want to join a community with other real estate professionals, join our exclusive Facebook community with a link in the description. And to learn more about property management tips, click this playlist here. We'll see you there.